English tip by tip.
Tip 63. Land vehicles. Train. Bicycle. Motorcycle. Vintage car. Modern car. Van. Truck. Semi-truck. Truck trailers. Tractor. Tip 63. Exercise. Complete. Barcelona is a very pleasant mix of old and new. The concern of ecology is constant, being the reason why you can see many bicycles circulating around the city. However, you can also see many motorcycles and cars. Vintage cars are usually seen in exhibitions. The train system is quite functional, connecting Barcelona to other cities, but many renovations are constantly being made to improve it. Deliveries in the city are made by bicycles, motorcycles, and also by vans, with deliveries by bicycles currently being very popular as they do not cause the pollution caused by other vehicles. Trucks can be frequently seen on the roads, always used for transport between cities and also to other countries.
Please subscribe to the channel, not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.